Hello and welcome to the video series of building a robot using NVIDIA Jetson Nano. Speaking about this device, NVIDIA Jetson Nano is a small developer kit with a good computation power to perform image classification, object detection, speech processing, and run multiple other neural networks. It delivers around 472 gigaflops with a quad-core 64-bit ARM CPU, a 128-core integrated NVIDIA Maxwell GPU, as well as 4 GB LDDR4 memory. The storage for the device is SD card. It supports interfaces like GPIO, I2C, I2S, SPI, and UART. I'm using this low-cost robot kit for now. Maybe in future videos, I'll make a video on how to make a metallic robot chassis on your customized design. This kit comes with two wheels, one caster wheel, a battery holder. So we won't be using this because Nano requires more power. We'll be using 18650 battery holders. Two BO motors to drive the wheels, and additional parts for the chassis and screws and nuts to attach them. The acrylic chassis comes with a paper cover which I have already removed, and I'll be removing the paper cover for this part as well. As the first step, let's solder the wires to the motor. I'm planning to use this 2-pin connector wires. It becomes easier to plug it to any male bulk strip. We'll solder the other ends to the motor. We'll use two heat shrink tubes to secure the connection once I've soldered the wires to the motor.
Once the soldering is done, you can use a heat gun or a lighter to shrink the heat shrink tubes so that the connection is secured. Let us now assemble the robot parts. finally done with the assembly. Motors are attached. I have attached Jetson Nano to the chassis as well. This DC jack will be connected to the battery pack that we'll build in the next video.